All right, what is up, all of you good citizens and crusaders of Crypt Nation? It's Bryce coming at you with another market update, and this time, just like every time, it's very exciting stuff. Bitcoin is right at $19,000, flirting with 20K, all-time high on every single exchange so far. Bitcoin has actually made a new all-time high, but it has yet to sustain that all-time high. So I'll show you what I mean. The reason why price hit the all-time high and came back down ever so slightly is because there's something called a limit sell order. A limit sell order. So the limit sell orders are what offers price resistance. And so historically, at all of these big psychological resistance, these round numbers like 10K, 15K, 20K, right? 20,000, right? You have what you call resistance, because that's where a lot of traders just place a sell order that could be sitting there for months and months and months just waiting to get hit. And so when the price starts to actually trade right near there, there's just price resistance. But slowly but surely, as the market continues to grow in strength, right? As the market continues to be bullish, right? And there's buyers after buyers, and you see PayPal buying up, billions of dollars of Bitcoin, and you see Grayscale buying up $10 billion worth of Bitcoin. You see companies like MicroStrategy buying up $500 million worth of Bitcoin, and you see companies like Square buying up $50 million worth of Bitcoin. Okay, there are companies that are buying Bitcoin. There are people that are buying Bitcoin, right? So they chip away at all those, little icebergs, right? Those little sell orders that hold price. And so once we clear out all those sell orders that have just been sitting there for months, right? Slowly but surely price will break above it. And once we get through there, and guys, I'm telling you, I'm looking at the order books, there's not much selling left right at 20K. There's just not. So once we break above that, what's gonna happen is you're gonna have a very, very, very sharp spike, because there's now no resistance, right? Everybody who wants to sell at 20K, they're gonna sell. But what happens after you break above that is that there's what you would call a price discovery moment, where there's now really very little trading action and trading history above 20K. And you're gonna just see a massive, very quick spike. And I think what's gonna happen is it's gonna be like a quick spike all the way through, and it'll hit, $28,000 just very quickly. It could happen in the course of literally a few hours. And I've seen it happen. I remember trading back in 2017 when we broke $3,000 for the first time. When we broke $2,000 for the first time, and it went straight up to $3,000 like in a couple hours. And I was watching, I was like, oh my God, this is insane. And now obviously price is much higher. But guys, it's not a matter of like if it'll happen, right? We are seeing a very, very bullish consolidation of price right in between about $18,000 and $20,000. So there's a very tight trading range. And whenever you see trading ranges that are consolidating in a bullish pattern, right? Higher highs, higher lows, right under a very significant resistance level, it's a very good sign. It means that sellers aren't anxiously stepping up to the plate to push price down. They're just patiently waiting there. And the anxious people in the market are the buyers. And when you have anxious buyers, like what we're seeing now, like what I'm seeing with all you good folks at Crypt Nation, like I'm feeling with myself, like my girlfriend's that's telling me, how do I buy more Bitcoin? Can I buy more Bitcoin? Everybody wants to buy more Bitcoin. So the anxious people are the buyers right now. Whereas back in 2017, when price started to crash down, who were the anxious people to get out of the market? Sellers, right? So you would see all that market selling. So guys, anyhow, long story short, it's not a matter of, if we're gonna break 20K. That's not even a question. It's a matter of when. It's a matter of how strongly, and that is what we're keeping our tabs on. And so, and you'll also notice that if you go back and look at the charts, if you look back at the charts, you can see in the past two times that we've broken above all-time highs, right? When we broke above, $32, when we broke above $100, when we broke above $1,200, those are the three all-time highs of every little bubble. Every time that Bitcoin's price broke above that all-time high in the past, what we saw is actually altcoins follow way stronger. And that was the start of altcoin season. Altcoin season. So that's what the environment that we're in right now. And I'm already seeing, I'm putting out tons of trade alerts actually right now in Crypt Nation, in our private Facebook group. You guys need to sign up for it if you're not already subscribed. You could probably hit the orange link, the orange button below you, and subscribe just for $1, 14-day free trial, or 14-day $1 trial. And check it out, because we're putting out a ton of altcoin trade alerts, and they've been wildly profitable. So guys, it's not a matter of if altcoins are going to break out, you know, it's just a matter of when and how strong. And the kind of momentum I'm seeing in the market right now it's so tremendous. You guys are so, like, if anybody who's new in the industry and they're like confused about, you know, what's going on, just be patient, sit back, relax, enjoy the show, because you guys are in the right place. And more importantly, you're in the right place at the right time. And I'm also loving, look at all these fall trees. They're beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. But anyhow, folks, that's all I came to say. God bless you.